Morning students, today we will study part 2 of chapter 8 Reach for the Top, Maria Sharapova from book Beehive. So this biographical sketch briefly describes the world-renowned tennis star Maria Sharapova's rise to the top in the world of tennis. It also tries to unravel the secret behind her phenomenal success, rigorous labor, and immense sacrifice on her and her parents' part. The account is biographical in nature and focuses on the grand achievements of the tennis player Maria Sharapova, who earned the title of the world number 1 in women's tennis in 2005. The author reveals that one has to pay a price for reaching the top in the form of hard labor, rigorous training, and sacrifice. Sometimes one has to undergo mental torture too on this path to success, but its rewards are always sweet and satisfying. The title Reach for the Top is very appropriate for this account of Maria Sharapova's journey as a top-class tennis player. This journey started with early training in her childhood and culminated in her becoming the number 1 in the world of tennis. The top symbolizes the highest point reached by Maria Sharapova. She reached this top by the dint of her earnest efforts and diligent work. Thus, the title is apt in that it salutes the courage and strong willpower of this young tennis star who overcame all hardships and obstructions to reach the top. Maria Sharapova is among the most renowned women tennis stars of all times, who is equally admired for her game and for attractive looks. Former number 1, Maria Sharapova is an inspiration for everyone, especially the sportswoman. Right from her childhood, Maria was calmer, more composed, more confident, and more tolerant than other children of her age. She had immense willpower and tenacity that gave her the strength to make sacrifices few can make. Separation from her mother, living alone in the hostile hostel, grueling training schedules, and only occasional meetings with her father. She put up patiently with the torment and humiliation inflicted on her by her fellow trainees. Thus, very early in her life, she learned that excellence comes at a price. Maria has always been motivated by her spirit of competitiveness, and she has always toiled hard to achieve her goals. Her achievements in the world of tennis and her earnings from it are well earned and most deserved. Maria is a true patriot. Although she has spent many years in the US, she takes immense pride in her Russian identity and retains Russian citizenship. Although she remains indebted to the country of her adoption for its contribution to her life and career, she wishes to play for Russia in the Olympics if she gets an opportunity. Maria is a successful businessman as she is as a sportsperson. She has skillfully handled her endorsements and is a fashion star who has a love for sophisticated evening gowns. She loves pancakes and chocolate spread with fizzy orange drinks. Yuri and Yelena Sharapova are Maria's father and mother, respectively. Their contribution to Maria's success is immense and cannot be measured in words. They identified their daughter's potential at a very young age and decided to get her world-class training in the US. They knew well that it was going to be expensive and difficult. Still, they extended their full support to their talented daughter. Yuri worked very hard to pay for Maria's training, and Yelena tolerated the heart-wrenching separation from her dear child for 2 years. As parents, they displayed unflinching faith in their child's abilities, who gave Maria the boost to keep going ahead and to keep countering the challenges that came in her way.